I understand you guys are using the solution from Terascala to manage the storage. Can you tell us more about that?
Yes, HPS Rack solution is turnkey solution brought to the market. We partnered up with Terascala in order to utilize their GUI and NetApp storage solution and bring that integrated solution to the market. The HPS Rack solution consists of, in the first place, management server, metadata servers, one active, one standby, storage, metadata storage, which is based on E2624, two object storage servers, and E5460 for user data. E5460 is the box over there. This is completely integrated solution. It's managed through the backend local network. And on the front end, there are two options, 10 gigabit Ethernet or InfiniBand, that is connected to the users, customers' high-speed fabric. This is management portal, so this is dashboard, consists of 4 graphs. Read performance, write performance, top 10 clients, and file system utilization by OST. In addition, we have 2 indicators, a Lustre file system indicator and a hardware platform indicator. This is simulated environment, and the platform indicator, it points to an error. We introduced that error intentionally in order to demonstrate how this appliance works and what is all integrated and how we can actually effectively control and monitor and manage the entire solution. By clicking on the platform indicator, we see that there is an error, and on the left-hand side, we see a rack panel. No, this is effectively actually the rack that you saw. So on the left-hand side, we see a rack. Up here, we see Lustre file system performance and behavior. And we see also storage in the bottom window. On the right-hand side, we see all the error messages or warnings that are posted by the system. By clicking on the storage, we can see that there is an error, a failed drive. And by clicking on that failed drive, we can actually flash the LED on the drive, and so system admin can go and replace the failed drive. In addition to that, we see a number of indicators and status. So I would say status indicators that all point that the storage works just fine. So we have a single error. This storage box, E5460, has 5 drawers, and apparently the problem is in the top drawer. All the other drawers do not have any problem whatsoever. So we will go and locate this particular drive and replace it. As I mentioned, this is simulated environment, so we will open the top drawer, and according to the display, this drive is the failed drive. So we'll replace that failed drive, pulling out, and then replacing with a new one, closing while the system is online, sliding back, closing the drawer, and we can see the system indicators on the screen. As I pointed out previously, this is simulated environment, so we will actually simulate drive replacement. So remove the disk. That generates an email that is sent to the system admin, so the system admin is aware of the current changes done to the system. So we will insert a new drive or replace the drive This will in turn generate another email, which will alert system administrator that the system status has changed, and it will tell the system administrator that the drive has been replaced, a new drive is in. Also, it will inform the system administrator that the rebuild process took place. Obviously, we are not going to wait for a rebuild process because this is a simulated environment. And it's going to inform the system administrator when the rebuild process is complete. Once it's complete, we will see that the whole system turned green, which means that there is no pending problems. Analytics is another big and very important part for the customers. With these graphs, we are able to locate and analyze potential issues with the misbehaving file system or misbehaving applications, misbehaving configurations, and so on. So we can drill down in any particular graph. By clicking down, we can see additional information about the file system. We have a number of metrics. For instance, we can look at the file system full indicator, throughput read, throughput write indicators. We can look at I/O size indicators. So there is a number of metrics that we can use. So in addition to performance graph, we can see also appliance overview of the entire solution, which includes 4 servers, 2 metadata servers, and 2 OSS servers, with a number of graphical displays. By clicking to selecting object storage server, we can see that there is a number of indicators that we can use to troubleshoot any potential misbehaving application or misbehaving I/O. We obviously can monitor InfiniBand metrics, Lustre client metrics, Lustre I/O read metrics, and so on, so on, so on. For instance, InfiniBand metrics gives us the behavior of the InfiniBand links, and we can readily find out if there is any problem on the InfiniBand link or not. In addition, we can look into I/O write metrics, for instance, and we can see if there is any problem with the size of the I/O, generate the I/O by an application or a number of applications. So it helps customer to quickly find out what is going on and why they're not getting the performance that they expect. So this is all done in order to make this appliance easy to work with an intuitive GUI and help the customer locate any potential problems and to help them focus on their research rather than on the system maintenance.